Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th chapter 4 values and data types. As in the last video we have discussed about identifiers. Identifier means data used to name different components of a Java program like a class name, method name or variable name. Today we will discuss literals. Literal means are the values that are used in a Java program and these values are constant. Maybe a numeric constant, a character constant or a string constant. And these literals we will discuss through page number 56, 57 and 58. Start with the definition of literals. A sequence of characters that represent values in a program and are stored in a variables. For example, if we will write int a is equal to 16, then 16 is a value that we have assigned to variable a and this value is a constant value that we have already declared in a program. Now, discuss about the topic literals. Literals are made up of digits, letters and other characters. Maybe digit means 1, 2, 3, letter means any A, B, C value or combination of characters also, and other characters like we can say some special characters. So Java supports the following type of literals. Number 1, numeric literals. Number 2, non-numeric literals. Number 3, Boolean literals, and number 4, non-literals. So these are the different type of literals in Java. Start with numeric literals. Numeric means in numbers. Numeric literals are of two types. Number 1, integer literal. Integer literal are the values which represent whole numbers only, means all kind of numbers you can take in whole numbers. They can be positive or negative, means you can take the positive value also with the plus sign or you can take the negative value also with minus sign. The integer values that contain no sign is positive by default. Means if you have written 45 and that value is not having plus sign or minus sign, so it is positive by default. For example, 100, minus 78 and plus 94. So these values are come in the category of integer literals. Now students, we will discuss some invalid integer literals. Number 1, 34,000 space 678. Now why it is invalid? Because space is not allowed between integers. Number 2, 67,000, 897. Now why it is invalid? Because comma is not allowed. So if we will give space or if we will comma between integer literals, so that literals are invalid. Next students, we will discuss the next category of numeric literals, that is real literal, also called floating point literals. So what is the other name of real literal? Floating point literals. They represent values with a decimal point. For example, 12.31, minus 7.01, plus 334.05. This means that they can be positive or they can be negative, and if there is no sign of positive or negative, they can be positive by default, as we have discussed in integer literals. Next is some invalid real literals. Number 1, 45 must have a decimal point. Means if there is no decimal point between real literals, so that real literal is invalid. Number 2, 55 point must have at least one digit before the decimal point. So we can see that after 55 point there is no digit. So this is invalid. Next one, 0.65 must have at least one digit before the decimal point. So you can see that before point there is no digit. So this is also invalid. Number 4, 12.12.12. Now 2 decimal points are not allowed. So there are 2 decimal points in the value. So this is also invalid. Number 5, 12,33,50. So you can see that there is no decimal point and there is comma only. So this is also invalid. Comma is not allowed. Next, we will come to the category of non-numeric literals. So non-numeric literals are also of 2 types. Number 1, character literals. Represent one character inside the single quote, means any single character, you can say A till Z. It can be a digit also, or it can be a special character also, but there is only one character in single quote. Example, you can say K in single quote, comma, semicolon in single quote, comma, @ in single quote, comma, 6 in single quote, means any one character in single quotes that come in the category of character literals. Next is string literals. One or more characters inside the double quotes. This means that if you want to store your name, if you want to print your father name, mother name, or any address, you want to print any message you can print, then you will use the string literals. For example, XYZ in double quotes, comma, New York in double quotes, comma, you can take single character also. Single character like X in double quotes, comma, X plus 3 in double quotes, comma, 3 plus 4 in double quotes. So they all come in the category of string literals if they have written inside the double quotes. So students, now we will discuss the third category of literals, that is Boolean literal. The logical values true or false are Boolean literals. True or false means you want to give the answer in yes or no. Like if I will ask your age, that your age is above 18 or below 18, you will give the answer in the form of yes or no. So that literals are called Boolean literals. For example, on off, switch is on or off, yes or no, true or false value, comma, presence or absence of something. If something is present, that means true value. If that thing is absent, that means false value. So when we will give the answer in the form of true or false, they are called Boolean literals. Next are fourth category, null literals. This is a special kind of literals which is represented by the keyword null or escape sequence /0. Means when you want to give the answer in 0, means no answer you want to give, or you don't want to print anything on the screen, that here that we will use the /0, that means null value. So students, today we have discussed the topic literals with their different types, and we have discussed the definition of literals, integer literals, real literals, character literals, string literals, and Boolean literals and null literals. So students, revise the topic carefully, literals, with their explanation and example, and in the next video we will come with next topic. Thank you very much.